County in south-central Pennsylvania, southern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, west-central Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, Somerset County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Ligonier to near Seven Springs to near Chalk Hill and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Bedford, Belmont, Gilham, Johnstown, Portage, Somerset, Westmont, Windber, Augusta, Beaverdale, Lloydell, Berlin, Blue Knob State Park, Boswell, Buffalo Mills, Central City, Cessna, Claysburg, Daceytown, Dale, and Davidsville. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 101 to 154. Interstate 99 from mile markers 0 to 25. The thunderstorm wind gusts are expected to produce damage. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties: Bedford, Blair, Cambria, Huntingdon, and Somerset.